Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we're gonna have a look of how to use Extruded Boss in SolidWorks. One way to begin with is to go to Extruded Boss, select your plane, select your sketch entities. Let's select the center rectangle. Just make a random rectangle here and select the exit sketch. Now what Extruded Boss does is taking the 2D sketch and transform it to 3D model. So in the left hand side you can see the options, the properties of the Extruded Boss. I can change the thickness from here, from these arrows, up and down, or I can type in the value that I want and press enter. You can see here I have the option blind. Blind means that I want my Extruded Boss to have a specified thickness. I can also change it to up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, mid-plane. The mid-plane is also very close from blind option. The difference is that SolidWorks take this value and split it in half. But if you want to have more thickness from the one side than the other, you can also enable the blind option, select the second direction, enable the direction 2, and you can select the thickness that you want from the other side. Once you're happy, select OK. You can either select OK from here, or right click on the graphic area and select OK. Another way to access to Extruded Boss is press here, press delete, select yes, press here, select delete again, press yes. So another way to do it is to go to sketch, select sketch, select the plane that you want, select rectangle. On the origin, just sketch a random rectangle, go to features and select Extruded Boss. So obviously the first way is much more quicker, and just show you the second way to show you which one is faster. Okay, select OK. Now on the left hand side you will be notice that the boss extrude just be created. From here I can click any time if I want to make any changes on the thickness. So right click, select edit feature, and I can change the thickness to any other value that I want. You can press the enter once you are happy with your value and press enter again to end this editing. So now if I want to make any changes to the rectangle here, to the shape, I can also click on this arrow here, expand the boss extrude, select this sketch, select edit sketch, and I can use smart dimension, click on this side, let's say 50, click on this side, 50, press exit sketch. So this is one way to do it. Another way to make changes on this rectangle here, you can simply click on any face that you want, double click anywhere you want, and the smart dimension measurements are gonna pop up. You can double click on any of these measurements to make changes. For example, let's change this 50 here to 20, enter. Now to update my part, I have to go here and press rebuild. Thanks for watching, see you next time.